Hey guys, I got the old motor on her. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Yeah, it took a while, but she's running. It sounds pretty good. I got done test driving it, but it sounds pretty mint. I'll take on a little ride here, buddy. Sounds pretty good. I like it. It sounds better than the other one though, I'll tell you that. But yeah, I gotta wear those boots and jeans. Yeah, but it's pretty good there, bud. I think it has more expression than the other one. The other one had no rings in it. Yeah, there's nice small tires in the front. I gotta weld some studs on the front. That's right about it. Yeah, my hand's a little dirty. It's that engine. Yeah, my frame, I don't know why, but I forgot to, I should have paused the video when I was taking the motor apart, but I didn't feel like it, so you're gonna have two videos of, I can do like a part one and then the final. That's what I'm gonna put it as, but yeah, but soon we're gonna go ahead and strip her down, paint it. But yeah, submarine's acting up a little bit, but that's pretty good. Yeah, hopefully I can get her going here. Yeah, I got some fun. Yeah, I got downshift. Yeah, but I like it, guys. I'll go back to the house and talk to y'all, but yeah, man. Yeah, I got no brakes on her. I got downshift. Yeah, I love my new bushings. My dang tire rods, but yeah, but she sounds pretty good there. Her end's acting up. I don't know, but I rebuilt it. But the axle seals are pretty bad, so it leaks, so it's probably low. I gotta probably take it out, but yeah. But once she gets done, but I gotta do other upgrades. You can see where the gear roll is on my new tires, so yeah. That's really about it. But yeah, have a good one, guys. So like, subscribe, please. Thanks for watching.